Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'm gonna show that how to uninstall a app on mobile phone. For this settings you have to open your settings application. After clicking to settings you have to scroll down and here you can see apps option. Click to apps. Then here you can see many apps. Which app you want to uninstall, select the app. I want to uninstall it. Then here you can see uninstall option. Click to uninstall option. Then you have to click OK. After clicking OK, the app will be uninstalled from your device. Friends, see guys, the app has been uninstalled. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new video notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.